Check out this Jeep 2019 Renegade Latitude. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: black clear coat, quick order package 2XB included, engine 2.4 Li40 evap MAIR transmission, 9-speed 940 automatic, black premium cloth bucket seats, tires, 215/60 R17 BSWS Touring, STD, transmission, 9-speed 940 automatic, STD, wheels, 17 inches x 7.0 aluminum, STD, engine, 2.4 Li40 evap MAIR, STD, front-wheel drive and power steering. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.